world's first and only tether-free wireless wear-and-play headset that combines virtual reality, augmented reality, and spatial computing into all-in-one platform. The first important ingredient of the system is called the spatial processing unit. The spatial processing unit is a unit within the headset that combines revolutionary next-generation computer vision technologies and brings them all together to create VR and AR experiences like no other. It maps the environment in real time and sends that data to the AMD FX 8800P processor, which then processes it further, and combined with this Radeon R7 graphics, it's able to produce console quality, beautiful graphics that will just blow your mind on a 2560 by 1440p display, and is running at maximum 35 watt power.
Sulon represents the promise of virtual and augmented reality made easy in an all-in-one tether-free headset that completely takes advantage of the power of Radeon graphics. And when combined with Sulon's own spatial processing unit, it delivers console quality graphics and the ability to transition from real world to a virtual world seamlessly.
The Sulon Q is a revolutionary platform that combines many different core revolutionary technologies developed by Sulon and as well by our third-party partners. Specifically in the FX 8800P, we got this beautiful HSA architecture that fuses the SPU, GPU, and CPU all together into this beautiful harmony of low compute burden, and thus presenting a whole load of available computational capabilities to allow users to do actual computing. And thus the first ever spatial computing platform that does both VR and AR was born. It also has very, very outstanding graphics processing capabilities with the Radeon R7 graphics processor. And combine all that together, you got this beautiful revolutionary product that's completely wireless. It's producing graphics like no other. So Sulon Q integrates AMD Liquid VR as a part of the GPU Open initiative to bring seamless, responsive VR and AR experiences to life. The system also ships with Sulon spatial earbuds, are specifically customized to bring you the beautiful audio experiences that are required for VR and AR. Sulon Q is a very powerful and lightweight all-in-one solution that provides amazing virtual reality and augmented reality experiences, and as well as spatial computing experiences, all together in one solution. AMD has been a tremendous partner to work with on the headset. It's a tremendous showcase of what Radeon Technologies can do for the VR industry.
Commit to a path, I guess you were on your own. Follow your dreams to a place, a space, the grace that takes you home. But let me tell you, I'm ready to fly.
To watch 360 content properly, you've got to have the 360 VR. Not too heavy and outstandingly portable. Huh? This here is the LG 360 VR. So small, so light. Before you start your viewing experience, connect the cable to the G5, run LG Friends Manager, and after downloading and installing LG 360 VR Manager, also, through recommended content installed along with 360 VR Manager. To enjoy 360 VR even more comfortably, first take off the light blocker, move the lens left or right to adjust distance, and rotate the lens for clear focus. Done adjusting focus? Put the light blocker on, and you're ready to immerse yourself even more. Now, let's put it on. Wow! To choose the menu or content you want, look toward the menu to move the pointer to the position you want, then press the OK button. If there's too much content, drag left, right, up, or down on the phone screen to conveniently select the content you want. To go to the previous screen, press the back button. Press and hold to go right to the home screen. If you want to change settings, press and hold the OK button. LG G5 can also be used as a controller. Touch anywhere on the screen to select. Touch and hold to go to the previous screen. Easy, right? In Now Playing, you can watch from where you left off on your most recently watched video. Surround sound makes it even more real, like you're there. It feels so real. Whew. Okay, that was sweet. Life's good when you play more. LG 360 VR.